Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing all well, and well, it's kind of different now because I feel like it's been a while, an entire life that I've talked to you guys. So I think that I've missed this part. So I also don't know why I just quit the part where I'm talking to you guys. I guess it was because of the languages. Yes, because I noticed that I have got subscribers all over the world, and that was also the reason why I chose English as the language where I'm talking to you guys. But after a while, I just noticed that also, for example, the Turkish people wanted me to talk Turkish, or as I'm living in Germany, some of you said, or lots of you mentioned that I should talk in German, but I just want to be myself, and I like talking English, and that was also the reason why I created this channel. So I want to access as many people as possible and just try to introduce something, or just try to give them kind of a help. And yes, well, I think that I'm going to stick to English, and maybe in vlogs or something else just keep on talking German as well as Turkish or whatever. But yes, so now we stick to English, okay? I think that this is the best way to enable you guys while I'm talking here. So guys, you have noticed we hit the 100k, so it's so incredible, guys. And just 1 second, I'm going to show you something. So guys, I have to show you this one here because you are the persons out there who enabled us to get as big as possible, or to get so big as it is now. And you also may have noticed that we hit the 100k, so it is just incredible. And also YouTube noticed that, and the clue was that on the 22nd of January, it was my birthday, and the UPS announced the package for the 23rd of January, and really they were very punctual, and I got this placard, ta-da, on the 23rd of January, and it was just kind of a late birthday gift for me, guys, but also for you. So I just have to thank you guys. This would be just impossible without you. And well, 1 year passed, and we are here with 100,000 subscribers. So it is so incredible, guys. And well, this is the placket, and then so we will put it here, maybe. Yay, it's so beautiful. And additionally to this placket, well, YouTube sent us a letter, and I would like to read it out for you guys because I think that you have to listen to it, and you were also the people who just enabled this for me, and therefore I have to share it with you guys. So YouTube says, you have just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribing to your channel. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind that 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched what you created. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too. What you've accomplished can't be taken away from you, and we'd like you to recognize you and all your hard work with this Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for rewards. You do it because you have drive to create and share, because you found an audience who cares. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see you what to do next. A million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you're closer than you think, and we are rooting for you. Congratulations. Yours sincerely, Susan Wojcicki, whatever. So here. Well, the first time I read this, I was so touched. I'm really direct to you guys, so I was so touched. I got tears in my eyes. Maybe you laugh, but that's true, because 100,000 people is just kind of a digit, yes. But when I had 1,000 subscribers, it was a demand, because when you go to a concert, for example, there are about 4,000 to 5,000 people, and when you think of 100,000 people, it's just so incredible. And therefore, guys, just thank you so much. I really appreciate every feedback, every single sub, every single thumbs up of you guys. Maybe I don't tell it as often as I should, but I am really blessed with you guys, and I really appreciate everything you do. And every feedback I got, it can be positive, it can be negative, whatever, just the feedback from you guys that you are there and that you are watching out there. And this is so incredible. So thank you guys, and I hope, well, 1 million people would be just impossible, I think, or I don't know, but so I will put this here right now, and we keep on. Actually, today I wanted to record a video on EVA Trends, as you know. Well, EVA Trends, as I mentioned a couple of times ago, is a label which creates beautiful linen dresses which can be worn also by hijabis. And yes, they sent me this package, well, in November or October, I guess, but the problem was that I was so busy in the last couple months. So I'm so sorry, Echo, so sorry, EVA Trends, but now I'm recording this video and I hope it will be fine. I ordered 4 items, guys, and it was actually thought for autumn, fall, and therefore, well, I'm sorry, but therefore the dresses can be just fitting for example, for fall again, or spring or whatever. And they can also be worn in winter, but you have to wear something on it, otherwise you'll get just a cold. So the first part, I'm just going to put them also on the bottom so that you can see the picture or the dress or the article worn. So the first one is a long dress in orange. It's again in linen with long sleeves here. And well, the thing on EVA Trends is that I really love their products because of the linen. And as a hijabi, it was quite, or it is still quite complicated to find something else that is out of linen and it is comfortable to wear, but also bio. So this is perfect for fall, autumn, but also spring. Maybe in winter you can wear it, yes, but as I mentioned before, you have to wear a coat maybe on top of it and combine it maybe with long jackets or sleeves. So, and in reference to this top and also the other parts, I ordered a cute bag. It looks like this. So it is golden with bohemian structure, and the cool thing is here it has got a quite different frame. So it is round and the zippers are just on top of it, and it is just perfectly for summer, and you can combine it with lots of different outfits because of the color and crosshair. So it's just beautiful. Then we keep on with a beautiful floral dress. So as you know, I love to wear dresses in summer because of the wide fit, but also the optics. So I think that dresses just look beautiful on women, and skirts too. I don't like trousers as much as I do love dresses. So here is the dress in linen, white green, with leaves on it, and it is again linen, and you don't have to wear something under it because of the print and the linen. So that is perfect for summer. And the last one, the last item I got is this long shirt or dress. So it is, well, it's so wide. You can wear it, I think that you can wear it lifelong, also when you get pregnant or whatever, because it is so wide here. But I like to combine these things with belts maybe, so that they are just fitting more to my body. And well, it is black again with white point drops on it. This is not linen, so this is, I think, polyester, but again, you don't have to wear something under it, so that's perfect for always. So for every occasion you can wear it just sporty with sneakers, but also with a belt, as I mentioned, and for occasions, special occasions, and high heels. So guys, thanks for watching. So it was incredible, it was good again for me to talk to you guys. So let me know if you like the parts where I'm talking, or should we just keep on the tutorials, the hijab tutorials, without talking, or what is your point of view? So let me know and comment the video below, guys. If you like the video, then I would be happy if you just give a thumbs up, leave a subscribe, or share the video, and I hope to see you next time, guys. Bye bye.